Okay, let's see. Here, any sequence can be expressed as term 1, term 2, term 3. We write as T1, T2, T3, and Tn, and then dot, 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 etc., where T is a function of n, for n is any positive integer. Sometimes we may write as A1, A2, A3, dot, 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 An, dot, dot, dot. Sometimes we'll denote as this also. You can have a look at chapter 1.1 on page 3 by yourself first. And now let's see example 1.1b. See, here Tn is a function of n. Ask you to find T1, T5, and T10. That means the first term, the fifth term, and the 10th term. Now T1. What is T1? Very easy, because you know how to make use of the function and substitute n equals 1. So this one equals to 1. That means this one is the first term, equals 1. Okay, how about T5? That means 4 minus 3 times 5, right? So this one as negative 11. So T5 equals negative 11. This one is the fifth term. How about the 10th term? Also substitute n equals 10. So this one negative 26. So this one as the 10th term. Okay? Not difficult, right? Let's see, how about 1.1c? Tn equals 2 times 1 over 3 to the power n. This one power n only for 1 over 3. Ask you to find T1, T3, and T2n. Let's see. T1, easy. 2 times 1 over 3 to the power 1. So this one, 2 over 3. Right. How about T3? 2 times 1 over 3 to the power 3. So this one, 2 over 3 cubed. That means 27. Okay. How about T2n? 2 times 1 over 3 to the power 2n. This one means 2 over 3 to the power 2n. We cannot find the exact values because you have the unknown n. So this one, answer. See? Not difficult. So, have a look. Every number in the sequence is called a term of the sequence. For the first number of a sequence is first term. The nth number is the nth term. And nth term also we call it as general term. In Chinese, 通行, general term. And a finite sequence always has a last term. 末行, finite. That means you have a certain number in the sequences. Okay? Maybe you have 10 numbers, then the 10th term is the last term. If you have 100 numbers, then the 100th term is the last term. If not a finite sequence, that means you have a infinite sequence of the numbers. Okay, so general term can help us to find out different numbers of a term. The first term, the 10th term, or even 100th term, you can find from the general term. Okay, for example, now we have Tn equals 4n. So if T 100, that means this one 400, right? If T 400, that means the 400th term 400th term. You also can find from the general term. So this one is 1,600 is the 400th term. Understand?